My dad, did you listen latest news, my dad? Professor Ibrahim Mahdi has created VEO3 videos totally free.
What do you say, my son?
Is this really true? No, I can't believe it. To be clear, Professor Ibrahim Mahdi's channel is truly valuable, but he is overlooked in support. And you don't watch the video to the end or comment and share the videos. Shame on you, I swear. Please support us as your Uncle Al-Hajj advises. I am with you, Ibrahim Mahdi, and this is your channel, Booty Tech. Let's get started with the explanation. Today's video is truly a real treasure for everyone. AI is considered one of its greatest treasures, the summaries that I bring to you. In conclusion, you'll finally have the opportunity to effortlessly create VEO3 videos from Google at no cost, 100%. No credit card needed, no activation required. This process will be incredibly easy for everyone after watching this informative video. First, of course, when we first open our web browser,
you need to add a reliable VPN extension to your web browser for security.
Now, how do you do that? Go to the extensions icon at the top right. Click on it. Then proceed to click on Manage Extensions option. From this point, we will proceed to a platform known as the Chrome Web Store. Click on it. In the search bar located at the top of the page, type the word plant.
The very first result that appears on the list will be Free VPN Proxy.
Click on it to bring up the detailed page of the extension for further exploration and information. Click on Add to Chrome. This will add the extension to Chrome. Add extension.
And this will successfully install the necessary tool on our web browser.
We are taking this step because the specific tool we will be using today is unfortunately not supported in many Arab countries. We are utilizing a VPN service to change our virtual location to a country like America for security, as if we are in America. This will open the tool for us or add the extension we want in the tool. So we will use a free VPN proxy. Then we click on the button to agree and continue. Here, of course, it asks you to choose the location. So we select Giza. We will choose USA 3D. And click on Connect to VPN.
Now you will see a red disconnector, so you are connected.
We will leave it like this. So now your location is as if you are in the United States. Next, we will go to the link in the description or comments. Please scroll down the website to locate the link for the specific tool we will be using in our work. The most crucial thing to remember is to ensure your VPN is activated before you visit this site. And of course, this site is from Google. It's an AI site that allows you to create applications. Applications for something very new. So through it, we will create an app to make videos of the available content for free. When we enter the website, please click on Sign In located here to create a new user account. The registration process here is conveniently completed by linking your Google account directly. So I will go ahead and choose my Google account. Here, it shows you some things that are already made. You will find some applications that are available, like a blog post writer, which creates articles tailored for you, resembling the style of a mobile device.
We generated playlists tailored for Gary, but we want to develop our very own app specifically for creating VEO videos.
We will click here on Create New. And here, as you can see, this interface will appear. There might be a bar in this place. You will click on the Excel icon on the right to hide the bar and show you this panel.
Here we will choose Generate, then Gemini 2.0 Flash. We will click on it and select VEO.
And you will write precisely this exact sentence right here. VEO3 Video Generator.
We are looking for a VEO3 video generator. Feel free to rephrase this sentence, so please pause the video.
Please write the sentence down carefully so you don't forget it later. Now, let's go ahead and click on this arrow. Now we'll carefully scroll down the screen and then click on the small minimize icon. This will clearly demonstrate this layout, and as you can see, the app has already been successfully set up. As you can clearly see, you are able to do this. And you can also conveniently drag these panels to display the app in its entirety. To simplify your experience while using the application, let's go ahead and click on the app button now together. As you can see, it's now easy. We'll click on the Start button located here, and then in this space, you can write the specific prompt for the video you desire. You have access to VEO3, and you will enter the prompt right here to begin creating your video content. If you don't know how to write an effective prompt, it's actually very simple. We'll open a new panel and then choose. Please write a detailed prompt for a video showcasing VEO3 that features a simple Egyptian character running. The text should include a lively and engaging conversation in Egyptian colloquial Arabic, with the other person also responding in the same dialect. Let's click right here to generate the desired prompt now. The crucial aspect to remember is to write the prompt clearly in English, while ensuring that the spoken text is presented in Arabic. As you can see, it has indeed written the entire prompt in English and the dialogue for the video in Arabic. It's crucial for the video to be created accurately and correctly on VEO3. We'll begin by copying this specific request text and then return to the application we developed, where we will press Ctrl V to paste it. After that, we'll click on this arrow icon and patiently wait until the video is fully generated. Here, it clearly indicates to generate video. The video has been made. Let's watch it together now. Wow, Mr. Ibrahim Mahdi generously created VEO3 tutorial videos for free.
What do you say, Wahad?
Is this for real? No, I can't believe it. What do you think about this? I swear this video is truly amazing and exceptionally impressive. All right, we're finally done. Now we'll click on these 3 small dots and then it will download the video directly to our device. You can name the video whatever you want and we'll click on save and the video will be saved. This topic is truly amazing. What do you think?
Now I will try to make another video with you, or in another way, something else for you to know.
Of course, our application is now available. Is it really just about writing text so it can automatically create a video? No. If you have an image and wish to make it move, simply click on this arrow right here. You have options to choose where to select the image from. For example, I will say upload from my device, meaning I will get an image from my device. Select the image by clicking. Now I have the image. Here is my image. The text instructs what the image should convey. Now I will go ahead and click on this small arrow here.
And that's it. The video with the moving image is done. Let's see how the video turned out.
I hope you listen to what your uncle says and support us.
I am Ibrahim Mahdi, and this is your channel, Juratech.
Begin the tutorial now. Honestly, it's excellent. This video is really great. I haven't left any important details out. I thoroughly explained everything in detail.
How to convert text to video.
And also how to convert a static image into a dynamic video.
The whole process is very easy and free, as you have seen, with daily usage limits.
But it will create satisfying videos for you for free and excellently. At the end of the video, I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, please follow us. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel now. Liking the video and turning on notifications is essential, so you get notified as soon as we release a new episode. Wishing you continual good health. Goodbye.